root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta. One plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. That is equal 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. A plus B into A plus B is equal to A plus B whole square. A place లో 1 plus cos theta 1 plus cos theta is equal to 1 plus cos theta whole square. A plus B, A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. A place లో 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta is equal to 1 square minus cos square theta. Therefore, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Cos sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Therefore, 1 minus cos square theta sin square theta. Root of 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta answer 1 plus cos theta whole square by 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta sin square theta. Root divided by numerator by denominator. Root of 1 plus cos theta whole square by root of sin square theta. That is equal square root cancel 1 plus cos theta by square root cancel sin theta. That is equal 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta. That is equal cosecant theta plus cot theta.